Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable developer mode in Claude Desktop. So let's get started. This feature gives you access to developer tools, MCP configuration, debugging options, and advanced settings that aren't available in the standard interface. So before getting started, make sure you're using the Claude Desktop application and not the web version, since developer mode is only available in the desktop app. Open Claude Desktop on your computer, then look for the Help menu in the application menu bar. From there, you get to select Troubleshooting and then click Enable Developer Mode. Claude may restart automatically after you turn it on. Once developer mode has been enabled, you'll notice a new developer menu appear within the application. This confirms that the feature is active. You can now access developer-related tools including MCP configuration options, debugging features, and advanced settings used by developers and power users. If you're setting up MCP servers, open the developer menu and use the available configuration options to manage your setup. Any changes you make may require a restart or configuration reload before they take effect. If you don't see the developer mode option, make sure you're running the latest version of Claude Desktop and not the browser version of Claude. Updating the application can often resolve missing menu options. And that's it. That's how you can enable developer mode in Claude Desktop and unlock access to advanced development features and configuration tools.